Alright, today's video is actually just going to be a short check-in video. I've been out here working for, I don't know, an hour, 2 hours, something like that. I didn't really film any of it, so I can't say that much has changed. But what I can show you is all of this. Alright, so essentially what we did is we got everything, the powers wired together, coming up from the power, splitting into two, so it goes into a 20 amp fuse into my capacitor, and then over here to the number 1 port of my ignition. Number 2 coming out, comes over here and snakes its way down to power here to power the fuse block, and then from the fuse block I actually changed this up, so instead of running straight off of this power up, I have gonna be a 7.5 amp fuse. Right now it's a 10 amp fuse in there, that's just a placeholder. I have that running up to the ignition here, which is wired in, and then I have all of the coils and the points wired in. Brown to the ignition side, orange to the points, and then both sides are wired correctly, gray to gray, orange to orange, and then we have everything else done. So now, hopefully, the way this should work is that everything should turn on once the key is turned to position 2. And once that's done, so it is technically like a temporary start ignition, but I'm basically just gonna have it off and on. And then once it's on, I should just be able to kick the thing and get spark. I don't have any way to test yet whether I do or do not have spark. I haven't gotten to that point, but here shortly we will be testing that. I should have the carbs the next couple days. And once I have the carbs on here, we'll figure out if it needs more grounds or what it needs. It's still got this main engine ground that I want to hook up somewhere up in here. And a few other things I really want to do. But for now, I mean, I think for what it is, I think it looks pretty good. I'm pretty well happy with it. It's a little dark out here right now, but you know. So yeah. Alright, thanks for joining for today's update. Once I have the carbs and everything, we should be able to hear this thing fire. Honestly, that might all just be in the same video. I might just keep this all one video, and when I get the carbs and everything next couple days, just keep going from there. So yeah, we'll see what happens next, whether it's carbs or not. But thanks for coming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enjoy the content. Alright, another exciting day. We're out here. We got the carbs on it. You can't really tell from that distance, but the carbs are there. Everything is wired up, and we're gonna see if we can get it to fire today. Yeah, let's do this. Definitely a solid leak. I have the carbs, but that's fine. Because these are really only to test to make sure my wiring is correct. Well, fucking shit, it works. Woo! Makes motorcycle noises. It's out of gas here. I know, Mama. I know. It's crazy. Doing motorcycle stuff. Yeah, all right. That means that I didn't do it too wrong. Fuck yeah. Pardon my French. But hell yeah, this is exciting. Okay. Whew, all right, I'm super excited now. Real hype. Now that I know everything works and all I gotta do is get some new carbs, because I'm pretty sure this one carb is not doing its job, because this exhaust is still cold and this one's got some warmth in it. So I think it's only firing the one cylinder right now. Oh, spark plug wasn't all the way in, so that might make a difference too, you know. But man, it fired. This is huge news, guys. The bike works. That means I'm not, you know, completely inept at what I'm doing, which is really great. All the wiring is semi-correct, which is even freaking cooler, because it decided it wanted to do its thing. One turn of the key and she kicked right the hell over. That was so impressive. First kick, just, it's like nothing. Like it really was that simple. I mean, I got my jerry-rigged fuel holder on here and everything now, but man, yeah. Okay, you know, a few minor button-up things left. I need to get a chain, obviously, to drive the back wheel. I need to get new carbs still, because these are just not doing their job correctly. I need to finish wiring the like headlight and everything. Oh yeah, check this out. I got your boy got a new headlight. Look at that guy. Looks real good on there. I really like the whole yellow and the grate thing. I think it looks really classy. Look at it from the distance. Yeah. She looks good. I'm happy. This thing's gonna be so cool to ride. Whew. All right, guys. We did it. We did it. We got a bike going. All right. Well, I'm gonna finish what I was doing here, just buttoning stuff up a little bit, but it did what I wanted it to do. So I don't even know what else to do with myself now. Oh my God. Ah! Oh man, the clutch is much nicer too than it's been. I know, Mom. You're like, what is going on? It works, Marley! One time I got so. Uh-oh. Hey, no. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing it.
You know what it is?
What?
It's the fucking reach of the ground.
Oh,
That's
not
what it is.
feeding, not feeding gas.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right.
I was wondering, I was like, why the fuck is it firing in the garage not out there? It's pitched to the ground.
Up straight.
Still one. What the hell's going on?
I don't know. I don't think so. There's no reason it should be. There's nothing that should be stopping it from firing now. Oh, that hurt. More now.
More, Mom.
You're like, but it's a toy, right?
Still turning on one, man.
I don't understand why we fired two and now.
You said, is something grounding out, or are we still on that uneven as shit? Just for shits and grins,
Yeah.
maybe we should try pushing this back in
Into
there
the,
and see if it
garage?
does it
Okay.
again.
Let's do it. I'm with you.
You want to put a little more gas in that?
No, I should still have enough gas.
I'm just wondering, because if that float's not sitting right and it's got shit blocking it, and not feeding it right, maybe it's got to be to a certain level before it's actually filling it.
Probably right. You're probably right.
But that's a lot more level than what it is out there.
Let's try it this way. See what happens. Yeah, I think the timing's off.
It's really weak, but that fucker is firing.
I think the timing's off. Is what's going on.
It's just a slight.
I really think that's what's happening. I don't know how to time it, so I gotta look into that.
I didn't think we checked right to see if the fucking plug wire was working.
I don't think it is. Like, it's a hole. It's not like.
I mean, it's double walled if you look at it. Blowing shit clean out of it.
Good.
Do that a couple times, it should run alright.
It revved up.
Yep.
That's what I've been waiting for.
It's been blowing shit clean out of that cylinder. That fucker's sat for a long time. About 20 years.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Dude, I just watched it just fall out.
I probably don't have any more gas. But
No, here, I'll get you gas.
no, we're good. We're good. I'm done. I'm not gonna waste any more gas in it.
But yeah, I mean, it fucking fires, man. It fires. Just gotta make sure that it's on level ground.
Alright, I realized when I went to go edit this that I never put together a outro or anything like that, so thanks for watching the video. Thanks for enjoying. The carbs are working. The bike is working. It fires, it runs. I'm going to be ordering Mikuni VM34 carbs soon. 2-to-1 throttle cable, a whole bunch of air filter, like all the stuff that needs to go on there next. And then I just have to finish wiring stuff up: the brake light, the headlight, the blinkers, the brake light switch, get all that stuff wired into the fuse panel, and then once all that's done, it's go time. Oh, and I need a chain too. I'm gonna get all that relatively soon, hopefully. And yeah, it looks good. It sounds good. I'm super excited. It sounds really good. I really wanted that like bobber chopper like pop sound. And yeah, it's got it. So, all right, like, comment, subscribe, return for more, and I'll be here doing this.